Did you love the 4-H embryology project? If so, there's a lot of ways that you can get involved with Gilchrist County 4-H. So the first one is kind of more geared towards teachers or maybe homeschool parents, and these are in school or school enrichment. So these are different ways that 4-H and the poultry project can kind of pour into what you're already doing at the school. These clubs meet after school, sometimes during school hours, or they can meet during like a homeschool co-op. Then we have community clubs. Here in Gilchrist County, we have 11 community clubs, and they are stationed kind of all over the county and represent different pockets of the county, and they're led by volunteers, and they can cover all different topics. Most of our clubs here are general, but there's always an option to start more of a poultry focused club or join kind of an animal science based club. Then we have poultry judging. We have a poultry judging team that meets at the 4-H clubhouse, and they practice several times during the year to prepare for the poultry judging contest at our fair, and some of them even go down to the Florida State Fair to participate. And poultry judging is open for ages 8 to 18, and the contest is generally in the late spring, early summer. Then we have fairs and shows. Fairs and shows, you could really go wild with this component because there's so many different opportunities to show birds if you're really interested in poultry and you purchase a show quality bird. That's kind of an important piece of the puzzle. If you're really interested in showing, you want to make sure that you have gained access to show quality poultry so that way you can get them judged within the standards of perfection by a certified judge. So you'll bring your birds to that show place. We have a local fair called the Swanee River Fair, or you could be involved in the North Florida Fair or down at State Fair, or there's lots of small poultry shows throughout the state. There's the Sunshine State Cup, and that's located down at our fairgrounds as well, and that's an association that travels. Then we have summer camps. We have different summer camps each summer, and generally we have at least one animal science camp. We've done like a chicken wing camp before where we've taken kids to go look at what poultry production practices look like for broilers, which we talked about in the embryology project. We've also gone in and looked at laying hens and even done some judging techniques. So if you're interested in summer camps, there's always a great opportunity here in the county to sign up for those and beyond. This summer, obviously, we're doing a lot of virtual camps, so we have access to a lot of different university systems and a lot of different clubs and counties to see what they're involved in, and we could probably find you something really similar to your poultry interests. If you're interested, please contact us. Then we have other state and district opportunities. Maybe you're really interested in chicken, the eating kind. There's a tailgate contest for that, and you can practice food safety and learning how to cook chicken and then presenting it to judges for a taste panel. There's also the Avian Quiz Bowl where you could maybe join at the state level, and they put together a team for that. So if you're interested in any of those opportunities, definitely consider joining 4-H. The two ways to do that in Gilchrist County are to go to 4honline.com, and you can select create a new family profile, add in your family members that are interested, and then give us a courtesy call at the 4-H office to let us know that you registered, and we will educate you on different clubs or different opportunities that are available. By joining, you're actually tagging into our email list, and when you get into that email list, we'll send you out all different types of opportunities. We also have some great social media content that we'd love to share with you. Give us a call if you have any questions. Have a great day.